Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I'll show you how I made this pineapple jam with only 3 ingredients. Yes, with only 3 ingredients. This is very easy to make. Yeah, now I have to peel off all the pineapple skin. So this is a very easy recipe you can make on your own. Are you worried about what you put inside your body? This is a good recipe for you. If you're conscious of what you put in, this is very easy. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? It's better than store-bought, okay? All you need to do is to give it a try. Make your own with no nonsense inside. At least you're sure of what is inside what you're eating, okay? If you can do it, why do you need to buy? So you can see I already sliced up all my pineapple. So now I'll be blending it with my hand blender. So just as I said, with only 3 ingredients that you can get within your kitchen. So you can see all done blending, and now I'll be cooking it. So I added 1 cup of sugar. So I'll be cooking this until the water is lessened. So if today is your first time you are seeing my video, you are highly welcome. This is Glatory channel, where you will learn a lot of things. So you're welcome, and feel free to watch all my videos, and remember to subscribe, like my video, please comment, and please share. Now I added the 1 whole lemon. Why lemon? Is to balance the taste, and also it acts as preservative, and at the same time to avoid it crystallizing. So it does a lot of job when you're making a jam with. You have to add your lemon on it because 1, it makes it not to crystallize. It acts as a preservative also, and also balance the taste. Yeah. So you can see it's already thickening up. So I'm removing all the lemon seed. Now you can see the demarcation that shows the jam is ready. It's already taking up. You can see. Good. So I'll off the heat and pour it into my bowl. You can see it came out so well. So remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. This is very easy. You can make it on your own. You just have to allow it to cool, then you try it on your bread. You can see it came out so well. So remember, the more it cools down, the more thickened it becomes, okay? Now it's ready. So I hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? So this is better than store-bought. Hope you get to try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video. Bye.